All right. So today we're going to be talking about price lists. And this is the last topic that we do before your unit exam. Like I told you, your unit exam has two adding and subtracting money, two adding and subtracting word problems, and two of these. Maybe three. I don't know. We'll see. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to use price lists and everything that you learned from here, adding and subtracting, kind of builds up to this. So let's do our first example. I don't have a marker, so you're just gonna have to follow along with me. And yeah, all right. Eric has $11. How much money will Eric have left if he bought a crossword puzzle book and a textbook? So the first thing that you want to do here is you know that he has $11. So is you're going to add the price of the crossword puzzle book and the textbook. We know that the crossword is 8 and the textbook is 2. 8 plus 2 is 10. So what do you do with these two numbers? We know that he has $11. So all you're going to do is subtract 11 minus 10. And he's going to have $1 left because 11 minus 10 is 1. All right. Let's do one more. How much money does Joseph need to buy a can of mushrooms and a can of fruit cocktail? So what we're going to do again is we're going to add the prices of the can of mushroom and the can of fruit cocktail. You add, remember when we did adding decimals, this all built up. So you're going to add 0.77 or 77 cents plus 0.46 or, 46 cents. When you add these two values up, you should get about $1.23. So we're going to type that in 1.23, and that is correct. So this, I'm going to give you two practice problems in this video that you should be doing on your video notes. These two practice problems are worth 1 point each. Just make sure they're right. So I'm not going to give you the answer to this one because I want you to do it on paper. How much money does Christine need to buy a picnic table, a lawn chair, and a beach umbrella? So hint, remember, add all those values up. So let's submit this. Submit. Let's go ahead and submit so that we can move on to the next problem. William has $10. Does he have enough to buy a bagel with cream cheese and a spinach omelet? Well, you remember to add up the values. And after that, on your paper, just write yes or no, but make sure that you show your work for full credit. After this, I'm going to give you a quick check. Quick check is going to be 50 points. Not a lot of questions. I'll figure out how much later, but it's going to have 50 points. Yeah, you can hear yourself coughing in the back. Like you keep coughing to be annoying, but yeah, like no one else is hearing it but you.
I don't care.
Anyways, you're gonna click yes or no, and so this finishes the video. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna grade your video notes, so make sure that you take notes on this video, or it's gonna be a 0 out of 5. Make sure you do those notes because that's what's gonna help you. Alrighty, thank you.